What is up, guys? It is your boy Morgan B. Before I start the video off, I want to say that I saw my last video after I uploaded it, and it shows super clear before I upload it. I don't know, like if it's the rendering settings, probably through YouTube, but it's pretty bad quality in my opinion. All right, I'm sorry about that, guys. Just bear with me. I'm still trying to figure out a way to get some better quality screen records here. Yeah, so just jumping into portfolio, we are now. I put some more money into it, so we are now at 2,600 plus. Let's see here. So for the day, Monday, April 20th, 2020, we are down $93.55. It was a pretty rough Monday. Looking at the news, this is just it's been very volatile. What can I say? Looking at the week, we were oh man, this is looking rough. We are down $112.21. Through the month, we are still up $46.12. 3 months, same thing, $46.12. Same as the year, same for all. We're actually up $44.69. You feel me? So we're moving up there. Two stocks that I recently just added to my portfolio was AT&T. The balance sheet for this, the spreadsheet, however you guys call it, it was looking pretty good. I also added Pfizer. Um, I did some research on this one. I actually had to go on the charts for this. I use Webull for that, as well as TradingView to see how good it's been in the future. Because I feel like Robinhood charts are just they're helpful to see, but I feel like it doesn't really go in depth. But it's all good though. So I picked up 3 shares of Pfizer. I plan on getting more. I picked up 5 shares of AT&T. This seems like a pretty solid stock, especially at like this time. If it does go down, best believe I will be buying more. Some more shares. We also added more shares. We added 10 to PSEC. Let me see here. I actually forgot what I added to. We added 10 shares to PSEC. 4 to BKE, 3 to NRZ, and 2 to O, which is royalty incomes. O is kind of like an undervalued stock in my opinion in my portfolio, and I have been trying to keep up with it. I at least want to have, like, personally, at least 12 shares, 10 to 15 if you want to say. And yeah. So let's go to total return. We're already there. So PSEC, right? We have an average cost of $4.03. If this does go down more, I will be buying, as it goes down. Hopefully it doesn't though. If it drops below 390, I mean, yeah, 385, my bad, my mistake, I will be buying more. But so far so good. I'm not really stressing about this company because they do actually have a pretty good solid hold, especially from a little more further back within the years there. BKE, this stock right here, I actually want to buy a few more of. I'm not gonna just dump all my money into this one, but maybe next week I'll buy about like 5 more, or this week I'll buy 2 more, next week I'll buy 3. But I at least want to have at least minimum 5 more by next week. AGNC here, we've got 15. I think this is the most. AGNC and LTC are my highest top stocks right now. The average cost, is relatively low. My shares 15 for AGNC. Yeah, pretty solid here. LTC, which is my highest performing stock in my portfolio at the moment, it's looking pretty good. I was gonna buy some more shares today, but I honestly don't know how to feel about this one. I feel like this is a great price to start buying in again, but at the same time, it's like I don't really want the average cost to go higher. So I got a lot of thinking to do this upcoming week, especially with this stock. SPHD, another pretty good strong stock throughout this coronavirus situation. We see here August 14th through September 11th of 2015. It had its lows. It had its some pretty rough times here. Oh, I'm trying to go up there. So $19 was its lowest. Let's see. Its close was 32.78, and its highest was 32.97. we're kind of in between there right now, so I'm keeping a close eye on this one. I plan on having at least 15 to 20 shares of this by the end of this month. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated with this one. Oh, this is the stock right here that I kind of want to buy more shares of. Um, Personally, for a real estate, company, um, it's not that bad, to be honest. Their sheets, says a lot. The news about them is kind of rough. I'm not hearing a lot of good things, but I believe in this stock and I believe it's gonna be strong. Research is always key, as well as your knowledge and who's there, as well as your knowledge and keeping up with the news and the stock in general. So that's just my personal opinion with O. I suggest anybody should look into it. ARR R. This stock here pretty strong. I have no high doubts in this, but if it does drop lower, I will be buying. Uh, Actually, a sell point for me for this stock will be around 650 point. Um, Especially now since it has broken out of its lowest low. If it does drop anymore, I will end up selling. But personally, this is just one of those where it's something you gotta have in a portfolio. Like, come on now. CCL. This is a cruise line stock, and this one here, I have super high hopes for. I know the news and the way they've been working around this whole coronavirus situation has been like super rough for them, but I do believe that they will like finish strong, and they will get back to where they were before. Um, yeah, CCL, great stock. A stock I recently just bought, which is T. Their balance sheets have been pretty solid throughout the years, especially in rough times just like this one. I definitely do plan on buying more shares around the probably tomorrow or sometime this week. Um, but yeah, that's there goes AT&T. AR went through that, and was that all of them? I feel like we just skipped a few. All right, NRZ. Right now it's at a pretty low price right now. I consider this kind of a sale compared to what it was originally at before. Um, oh, I believe I just went to this one. Pfizer. This is it right here. Pfizer is a great stock in my opinion. I feel like everybody should have this in their dividend portfolio if possible. Looking at the 5 years here, how much it. Oh, I can't do that double whole thing like my. Anyways, looking at all the uh upwards momentum it had compared to this downtrend here, I do feel like it once it hits around at least I'm gonna say $40, it's just gonna go higher from there. I feel like this is a pretty trustworthy stock to be having, especially that it's in development and manufacture of healthcare products. Um, but yeah, that's that. And stocks I am keeping a close eye on as well is Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo was another great real estate stock. I know they fell off, because of this whole coronavirus situation, and real estate is expected to go down, but I do plan on getting quite a few shares of this. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my portfolio. Oh, let me just talk to you guys about Ford real quick. Ford, I'm actually trying to like I sold all my shares of Ford. I believe I had like 50. Yeah, and personally, I thought it was gonna do better. I thought it was gonna maintain, but looking at the 5 years on TradeView, the lowest it hit was 81 cents before having a reversal. That was in a tougher time than this one. So I'm watching Ford. I'm not saying I won't buy it ever, but I'm keeping a very close eye on it, looking for the opportunity. And they are, doing a lot to keep the company going. So that's also something to keep in mind. So yeah, just keeping a close eye on this one, and that's about it. So as for dividends for this month, right? I pulled up the notes here. I got all my shares here, and right on the bottom here, I got a pretty much of an estimate on how much I'm gonna get. I did add everything all together. So for April, I will be getting $3.30 from PSEC. It's, 6 cents for each share. LTC, I will be getting $2.66 at 19 cents a share. For O, I will be getting $1.61. 23 0.233 cents, 0.23 cents per share. NRZ, I'm only getting paid for 30 shares because I believe that the shares I bought after the ex-dividend date aren't going to count. So I'll be getting $1.50 for SPHD 15.62 cents or 0.1562 cents per share. I will be getting the total of 156. So my overall income for this month will be $10.93. And I'm not expecting to get all this money by the end of this month, probably towards the beginning of next month. But yeah, I'm pretty confident with this. I have been looking at some dividend trackers online, and I have found a pretty good one, but it's kind of like in a beta testing right now. If you guys want me to talk about that in the next video, I'll be more than happy to. But yeah, that's pretty much it here. This is my portfolio. Still moving up pretty slow here. My end goal is to have at least personally at least 10,000 by the end of the year. I know it's gonna be, I'm gonna have to make some sacrifices to get there, but it's definitely gonna be worth it in the end. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please drop a comment down below. If you like this video, smash the thumbs up button for more great content. And yeah, subscribe if you want for more great quality videos. Hope you guys like this, and I'll see you.